February 1st and it's giveaway time. So I'm going to go ahead and use commentpicker.com. Let me grab the URL here. I'm going to filter out duplicates. And then we have very specific text here, which was hashtag Flatiron Pepperco. Go ahead and get the comments. I have 23 entries for this giveaway. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Eat Carbs Outdoors. So congratulations. I will go ahead and send you a message, get your shipping information, and I will get this this awesome pepper grinder shipped out to you. This was a great giveaway, and my plan for 2021 is to do a lot of giveaways. I actually have the next giveaway all lined up. I just need to make a video for an amazing set of products. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you hit that notification bell so you can get notified when there are new videos, new contents posted, and new giveaways. Thank you everybody for being part of this giveaway. I really had a lot of fun doing it, and you're going to see more of these this year on this channel. Thanks again, everybody. Congratulations. Eat Carbs Outdoors.